Hi students, now the second numerical problem in the exercise. Calculate the maximum kinetic energy and maximum velocity of the photoelectrons emitted when the stopping potential is 81 volt for the photoelectric emission experiment. This problem is very easy and direct. So the stopping potential magnitude is 81 volt. Here the charge of the electron has to be taken as 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. We have studied that the kinetic energy maximum is equal to E into V naught. So this is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into 81. So coulomb into volt is equal to joule. So this is equal to 1.296 into 10 to the power of minus 17. So if you multiply means 1.6 into 81 will come as 129.6 into 10 power minus 19. So two decimals I have shifted. So 1.296 into 10 power minus 17 will come. So this is rounded off as 1.3 into 10 to the power of minus 17 joule. So this is the kinetic energy maximum. From this we have to determine also what the velocity of the photoelectron. So I can write this kinetic energy also is equal to what? That is a kinetic energy maximum. By formula this is equal to half into m, mass of the electron, into V square maximum. Okay. So half m V square maximum is equal to 1.3 into 10 power minus 17. So this is 1.3 into 10 power minus 17. So B square maximum is equal to, this 2 has to go to the top. So 2 into 1.3 into 10 to the power of minus 17 divided by the mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31. This m term is coming to the denominator. So the mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. So this is now equal to 2 into 1.3. So this is 2.6 into this 10 power minus 17. This minus 31 will come up as plus 31. 10 power 31 minus 17. So this is 10 power 14 plus 14. Now this ratio 2.6 divided by 9.1. So let us use the calculator now. 2.6 divided by 9.1, and this ratio is equal to 0.2857. So 0.2857 into 10 power 14. So this is equal to 28.57 into 10 power 12. So two decimals I have shifted. Left hand side is what? Still V square only. So we have to take the square root, is it not? So therefore V maximum is equal to square root of 28.57 into 10 to the power of 12. So square root of 28.57, let us find out the square root. 28.57. So this is 5.345. So this is a square root of the first number is 5.345 into square root of 10 power 12 is 10 power 6. So 5.345 into 10 power 6 meter per second. So this must be the maximum velocity of the photoelectron. So here it is asked only the maximum kinetic energy and the maximum velocity. So the maximum kinetic energy we have found 1.3 into 10 power minus 17 joule, and the maximum velocity is 5.345 into 10 power 6 meter per second. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.